Bam! Hello! We're gonna get some drone footage. Okay. Okay, hello, welcome back. We are back. Look what we got. Some spaces. So these are, I believe, 1.5 inches, 6 by 5. We're gonna put these boys on today. And in turn, we're gonna put those on today. Before. After. No, wait, that's not how that works. Issue, we have a slight issue. Oh, these are not gonna work, are they? No! Why does it never work? Why can I never win? Alright guys, new plan. I quit on the 4Runner for a week. I'm gonna just drive the other car. I don't want to do this anymore right now. We'll come back with the passion, with the burning passion. Right now, I lost it. I don't feel like doing this right now. I gotta sell parts that don't fit. Ugh, what a hassle. I just want to get these rims on. I can't even get them on. Truly, I don't even think they'd fit anyway. If nothing's actually gone right for me today, this one, it's something that is going right. There's a cool Mustang right here. I don't know if it's a drag car or what, but it's so nice. I'm gonna set you up somewhere over here in the shade. You could enjoy it. I know I will. It's probably not even 10 a.m. It's 10:51. So after the whole ridiculous fiasco with this thing yesterday, I think I need a win day. So I'm just gonna take the Vivio and go to a JDM car meet. I saw that was happening not too far away. Anyway, I'll be back. Blah. The Vivio started right up today. I mean, I've only left it here for like a week and a half. I don't really drive it much anymore. But look, I almost have a full tank. Oh my god, this thing is great. So what we're doing right now, we're going to a right-hand drive JDM car meet at a tattoo shop. Figure, you know, I have a right-hand drive car and tattoos, so maybe I am welcome. So we'll see what happens. The car hasn't been cleaned ever. It leaks water inside through the back, so it hasn't been cleaned today either. I'm just going. So I'll let you know when we get there. Wow. Is that a Honda?
I don't even know. I forget what the name of those are called. Honda Spot or something like that?
I've never seen one.
Yeah, it's.
Oh my god, look at it, it's sweet.
It's so tiny, yeah. It's awesome. She said she's got 11,000 miles on it or something like that.
Really? That's it?
Yeah.
Wow, look at this thing.
Oh, maybe the Honda Life. I don't know. I don't remember what they're called. There's something like that.
My friend had one. It was a Suzuki Wagon R.
Okay.
Yeah, it was really cool. Very boxy. Sweet.
Is this called a Life? What's it called? It is a Life. Okay. You know, sometimes people just put stickers on them.
Yeah,
true. And
so
Honda,
tiny.
they make like every fucking weird name, and then like two cars will look the exact same, and they're just called different things.
Yeah.
What the fuck?
That's kind of why we're doing the Pokemon thing with them. Like,
Oh, that's smart. I should do that.
Front end looks like that's the next one.
Nice.
And then the logo just came in last night.
Wow. Got a few Suzukis. Hijet on some. Oh my god, look at those. On some TEs. RX-7.
What motor's in yours?
It's a 660.
660?
Yeah.
Is that the Clover now?
It's not the Clover, no.
It's not the Clover.
No, this is just the naturally aspirated version. I wish I had the Clover. Those things are so cool. Supercharged 4 cylinders. They make about the same power, maybe like 10 more horsepower, but
Yeah, but in something that,
that doesn't
Something
really
that
need to go that
small,
fast. Yeah.
10 horsepower might as well be.
Yeah, it's true. What else we got? Evo. Wow. Altezza. With a JZ. Wow. That's sweet. Very cool. It's crazy to think this is a K truck. Wow, look how spacious.
Keep everything away from it. Don't let it hit its head on the coffee table.
This thing is sweet too. Yes. Look at that. On TVs? No, not on TVs.
I like the car's like
The
really
GTR.
original, so I don't really want to fuck with it too much.
He got it. He got the GTR. I've actually known these guys for a long time. They bought a car for my little brother. Look at this one. I love the tint. That's sweet. Ooh, a little JDM meat. Alright. This is a good video, alright? I'm happy now. Alright, we'll pick up later. Look at the turbo on that. Jeez. Pick up later.